Hello friends, welcome back to Devananda OIFS Junior, and today we are going to learn in detail about conversion. Okay, about conversion in length. Okay, so we are going to learn about the metric system. First of all, we are going to learn about the metric prefixes first. Okay, this video will be helping you in making conversion an easier topic. Okay, so first of all, let me write the unit. Okay, so we will be adding the metric prefixes. Okay, what are all the metric prefixes? We are going to learn about those metric prefixes. Okay, so we are taking meter, for example. Meter, you know, it is the SI unit of length. And now we are going to learn about the metric prefixes. Okay, so meter, it will be at the center of this table. Okay, and the first metric prefix is milli. Milli is the first metric prefix, and we are going to learn about milli first of all. So the first one is milli. Okay, and it will be millimeter. Okay, while adding it with meter, it will be millimeter. Okay, millimeter. And milli, it means division by 1000. Okay, division by 1000. Now let us look into the next metric prefix. The next metric prefix is centi. Okay, centi. Milli, centi. Centi means division by 100. Division by 100 is centi. The next metric prefix is deci. Decimeter. Okay, deci, it means division by 10. Okay, deci means division by 10. So we are having 3 metric prefixes before the unit itself, and next after the unit also we are having 3 metric prefixes. So the first metric prefix after the unit itself is deca. Decameter. Deca, it means into 10. Okay, into 10 is deca. Next we have hecto. Hectometer, it is H. Okay, so hecto, it means into 100. Okay, hecto means into 100. And the last metric prefix is kilo. Kilometer. So kilo, it means into 1000. Okay, so what is this into 1000, into 100, into 10, divided by 100, divided by 1000, divided by 10? What are these? Okay, so that is the relation between the main unit itself to all these units. Okay, so there are relations between the unit itself to all these units, and it is given as into 10, into 100, into 1000. Okay, so let us understand. Millimeter, I told it is divided by 1000, and this is the relation. If we take a meter and divide the whole meter into 1000 parts, each part will be a millimeter. Same way, centimeter, it is divided by 100. So if we take a meter and divide it into 100 parts, each will be a centimeter. Then decimeter, it is also the same way, divided by 10. So if we take a meter and divide it into 10 parts, each part will be 1 decimeter. And here decameter, it is into 10. So if we take 10 meters, it is 1 decameter. Okay, and 1 decameter, it is into 10. Okay, so meter, if we take 10 meters, it is 1 decameter. And next hectometer, it is into 100. So if we have 100 meters, it is 1 hectometer, and kilometer, it is 1000 into 1000. So if we have 1000 meters, it is just 1 kilometer. So what relation can you get from this? Okay, millimeter. First of all, taking millimeter, I told if you take a meter and cut it into 1000 equal parts, and in that each one will be equal to 1 millimeter. So we can say that 1 by 1000 of a meter is equal to 1 millimeter. 1 by 1000 of a meter is equal to 1 millimeter. So that is the relation you can get. And if it is 1 by 100, it will be 1 centimeter. If it is 1 by 10, it is 1 decimeter. And if it is 1 by 1, it is a unit itself. 1 by 1, it is just 1. So it is the same unit. And what if it is 1 by 0.1? What if it is 1 by 0.1? What is 1 by 0.1? If you simplify it, you will get it as 10 by 1. Okay, 10 by 1. 10 by 1 of meter, it just means 10 into meters, 10 meters. So we can just simplify it. So we can write 10 meters. Look, it is 1 decameter. And what if it is 100? If it is 100, then it is 1 hectometer. And if it is 1000, it is 1 kilometer. Okay, so that is how you get the relations. Okay, so you got the relations. So that is the relation between meter and all these units. What is the relation between millimeter and centimeter? If you notice, it is 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. What is the relation between centimeter and decimeter? 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. Okay, so finally we can say that the relation is into 10 while going upwards. Okay, while going upwards, the relation is into 10, but while going downwards, it is divided by 10. And we can say that the distance between one unit to the next, it is 10. It is 10. So 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter equal to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter equal to 1 meter, 10 meter equal to 1 decameter, 10 decameter equal to 1 hectometer, 10 hectometers is equal to 1 kilometer. So that is how the relation goes. And now we are going to learn the real conversion. So conversion. Okay, just if you have noticed, the smaller units, if we are taking a fixed value, okay, of 1 meter. If you see, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter, it is equal to 1 meter. Okay, and 1 meter, now it will come really smaller. 1 meter is equal to 0.1 decameter. 1 meter is equal to 0.01 hectometer. 1 meter, it is equal to 0.001 kilometer. So here the numbers are becoming smaller, but look at the difference. 1000 divided by 10 is equal to 100. 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10. 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. 1 divided by 10 is equal to 0.1 divided by 10 is 0.01, and 0.01 divided by 10 is equal to 0.01. The numerical value decreases as the value of the unit increases. So here millimeter, the value of the unit is really smaller, but the numerical value when kept constant, it increases. And you can see kilometer, the value of a kilometer means the value of the unit is large, but you can see that the numerical value, it is a 0.01, it is small. Okay, so you can understand that millimeter will have a larger numerical value when compared to kilometer. And now you can understand that to convert from millimeter to centimeter, you should divide the number by 10. Okay, so that is the relation. Downwards means in this table, downwards means millimeter to centimeter, centimeter to decimeter, decimeter to meter, meter to decameter, decameter to hectometer, and hectometer to kilometer. You should divide by 10. It is division. It is always division. When you are converting a smaller unit, means the unit will be having a smaller value to a larger unit. When you convert from smaller unit to larger unit, you will always divide. And when the units, they are consequent, means near to each other like millimeter and centimeter, it is 10. The value of the numerical will be 10. Okay, so you should divide by 10 when converting millimeter to centimeter. Let us do an example. For example, you are given 500 millimeter. Okay, you are given 500 millimeter to convert to centimeter. So you will divide it by 10. So 500 divided by 10, the zeros get cancelled and it will be equal to 50. You should specify the unit centimeter. Okay, so you got the answer here, 50 centimeter. So that's how you do it.